Let me ask you something. If you regularly use AI tools, you probably know how messy the workflow can become. One tool for image generation, another tool for video creation, another one for effects, and sometimes yet another tool just to edit or upscale the final result. Suddenly you have 5 tabs open, 5 different subscriptions, and everything is scattered across multiple platforms. But what if all of those tools were available in one place? Today I'm testing a platform called Wery AI. Instead of switching between multiple AI websites, Wery AI integrates many popular AI models into a single interface. From one dashboard, you can generate images, create videos, apply effects, and explore other creative tools, all without jumping between different platforms. And one important thing to mention is that many of these models are the latest versions currently available, which means you're not just getting a collection of tools, but access to some of the most up-to-date AI generation models in one platform. Let's see how it works. Let's start with image generation. Inside the image section, you can access a large library of AI image models. For example, the platform includes models like Nano Banana 2, Flux, Imagen, GPT image models, Wery AI, Seedream, and several others. Each of these models has its own strengths. Some models are optimized for highly realistic photography-style images, others focus more on creative styles or artistic rendering, and some are designed to understand complex prompts more accurately. For this example, I'm going to generate an image using Nano Banana 2, which is known for producing very detailed and realistic images. Let's try a simple prompt. For example, a futuristic city at night with glowing neon lights, ultra-tall glass skyscrapers, flying vehicles moving through the sky, and cinematic lighting reflecting across the buildings. Now we can configure a few settings. We can choose the aspect ratio, adjust the resolution, and select how many images we want the AI to generate. Once everything is ready, we simply click Generate. A few seconds later, the image appears, and the first thing that stands out is the level of detail. The lighting looks realistic, reflections on the buildings are very natural, the depth of the scene feels cinematic, and even the textures are rendered clearly. The result actually looks more like a professional 3D render or concept art than something generated in just a few seconds. But here's where things get even more interesting. Normally, if you want to turn an AI image into a video, the workflow becomes complicated. You would need to download the image, open another AI video generator, upload the image again, configure the scene, and then generate the video. But inside Wery AI, we can go directly from image to video without leaving the platform. Instead of exporting the image, we simply switch to the video generation section. Here we can see that the platform integrates several powerful AI video models. For example, Kling 3 Pro, Video, Sora, Runway, and other models. And just like with the image models, many of these are recent versions of the models, meaning you can experiment with some of the latest AI video generation technology in one place. Each model has slightly different strengths. For example, Kling 3 Pro focuses on more natural motion and cinematic visual quality, while other models may produce different styles of animation or movement. For this example, I'll take the image we generated and use it as the starting frame for the video. Now we configure a few settings. We can choose the aspect ratio, select the resolution, and set the duration of the video clip. Then we generate the video, and a few moments later, the static image becomes a moving cinematic scene. For example, in our futuristic city scene, the neon lights begin to glow dynamically, the flying vehicles move through the sky, and the lighting across the buildings shifts naturally. The camera motion feels smooth, the scene has depth, and the final result feels closer to a short cinematic shot rather than a simple animation. This ability to experiment with different AI models and creative workflows in one place is actually one of the most interesting aspects of the platform. Now, image and video generation are the main focus of the platform, but Wery AI also includes several other creative tools. For example, there is an AI music generator where you can create both vocal and instrumental tracks in different styles, such as pop, electronic, jazz, and more. There is also a library of AI video effects, which allows you to apply creative visual effects and transformations to videos. In addition, the platform includes AI image effects and filters, which can transform photos into different artistic styles. And there is even a character system, where you can explore and interact with AI-generated characters. These are interesting features, but in this video, I mainly wanted to focus on the image and video generation workflow. If you'd like, I can explore these other tools in more detail in another video. Now, let's quickly talk about pricing so you know what to expect. The platform works with a credit-based system. The basic plan starts at about $11.92 per month. The standard plan is around $16.24 per month, and the Pro plan is about $34.99 per month, which includes more credits and allows for a larger amount of image and video generation each month. According to the current promotion, new users receive 20 free credits when signing up, and there is up to 50% off the annual subscription. Overall, what makes Wery AI interesting is the idea of bringing multiple AI models and creative tools into a single platform. Instead of switching between many different AI tools, you can experiment with image generation, video creation, and other creative workflows in one place. If you want to try Wery AI yourself, check the link in the description and the pinned comment to access the platform and claim the available bonuses. And if you'd like to see more AI tool tests like this, let me know in the comments which tools you want me to explore next.